Hello there, this is Dave Allen. I'm doing Geeky and I'm looking at this picture I've got here. And what I want to do is I want to put a rectangle in like I did on the last video. So here's my rectangle. And then I'm going to make a copy of that there. So I do Command J and select that tool there, the move tool, move that across over there. So in the last one what I did was I just put some text into the centre of it. So let's just put some text here. So that's kind of nice. We've got some text in the middle there. And I'm going to just rotate it around a wee bit. Change the size to the size that you want, ready for doing your subtract method. Get it to exactly the way that you want it, because you won't be able to do any much changes after you've done this, but it is possible. So let's select that, let's select the rectangle. You can go to the Boolean Tools up here and click on subtract, as I showed in the previous video. You can come up to this layer menu here and you can go to geometry and you can click on subtract and that'll do the same thing. Or what we can do is we can go over to this next one over here. Let's select the text tool again and we'll go snarky again. And this time I'm going to just put that there and I'm going to select the rectangle. I'm going to go to the layer menu and I'm going to say create compound. And it looks like you've broken it and it's not what you want there, and you're not getting the thing and you wonder where the snark has gone to. So we go to this here, click on the compound, we select on the word that we want to do some work with. So the part of the compound object. So in the layers panel we select the object that we want to work with, which is the text, and we click on the icon to the left of where it says snark. And you'll see that there's a set of choices there. We can click on subtract and we've got it like we did before, except we've got something that's a little bit more editable. So we can take this object, which used to be text, but it's now just an object, and we can make it bigger. We can get the rotate and we can turn it around and put it just exactly where we want it and have some more possibilities for changing the shape of it within the rectangle. So whatever you want to do with that, you can do it. No problem at all. You've got some options for adjusting the way you've got your text set within the rectangle, and you've still got the cutout so that you can see the image underneath. So there you go. Another way to do it. I'm Dave Allen. I'm good and geeky. Bye-bye now.